I've been living here for more than a year, and since I moved to this apartment, my main issue is the loose dogs on our neighbor that terrorizing all the tenants here, including me. And the worst part of it is I'm also a dog owner, that every day I have to do my regular walk with my dog, but it's preventing me this past few weeks just because of one of the big dog, Belgian Malinois, is also unleashed. They are loose and they almost attacked me a few times. And for me to make my walk with my dog, I have to carry my dog to my pickup, drive to the other side just to prevent not to get attacked by the dog. And that really frustrates me that every day I have to deal with these things. And since I moved here, there's no action, and there's already like dispute or argument, heavy discussion with the son of the owner of my landlord and the neighbor. And I cannot mention the name, but in my case, all on behalf of other tenants here that got bitten, I wanna put this on live just to document what's going on here, and the owner's not taking action. He said he's gonna put fence, but look what happened. He just put rocks halfway so the dogs can still move around loose. They even get close over here where the parking is. At night especially, it's really dangerous. And for me, I don't know how the authorities will take action, but I already sent my complaint in barrio. But for how fast they're gonna take action, I really have no idea. But I already thinking of look for another apartment. The problem is most of the apartments here are not pet friendly. So I hope that this goes to the authorities, the Bureau of for the dogs and things like that, that they have to see what's going on this area, especially particularly with those two dogs. And then there's another stray dog, so it became from 2 it became 3, and day or night this is my deal, and it's tiring. Nakansaka ba? So thank you for giving me the chance to voice this out, the issue, and I have videos to prove about these dogs, and I hope they will take action as soon as possible before it gets worse, that they're gonna beat more people.
It's not only the dogs, but also the owner of the dogs, because he's really also an aggressive person.
That's also the problem. I'm not gonna mention the name, but we got him on a video, and even videos like he's acting weird at night, like when people are trying to get sleep and he's walking around. This area is surrounded with videos. You cannot get away from it. So I don't know what's in his mind, and for that I said, you know what, I need to come out and be heard, and for everybody to know that this area is not safe, especially if you're visiting from one of these tenants' friends here. Their cars been ripped. One of these cars been ripped from one of the dogs, and then some renters got bitten, visitors got bitten. I'm lucky that I didn't get it yet, because I know how to protect myself. I'm a dog lover myself. I own an American Bully. And this is not right. If you are a dog lover, you're an owner of dogs, you need to put them on a leash if you don't have a fence. Look at that, it's open. So please, let these things be heard, and I hope they will take action immediately.